Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. I promise to share more healthy recipes, and this one is as easy as can be. This salmon recipe has a great salsa on top. It is so fresh and refreshing, lemony and sweet. Let me show you how to make it, and let's get started. You're gonna start with a nice salmon fillet. I washed and I'm gonna pat dry very well. You're gonna need 2 to 2.5 pounds of salmon fillet. You can leave the skin on or you can remove the skin. It's totally up to you. Lining with parchment paper will help with the cleanup, and you can add some foil paper at the bottom. I should have done that, but let's start. We're gonna start with avocados. I'm gonna cut up one large avocado. And this is a nice avocado. I'm gonna slice half of it and dice it into small pieces. I'm gonna slice and dice one mango as well. And this is a nice orange I washed, and I'm gonna slice, use half and use the juice of the other half. Add it to the rest of the ingredients and start chopping some garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. You're gonna chop up 1 serrano pepper. If you don't have serrano pepper, you can use jalapenos. You're gonna add it on top of the salad. I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lime, salt, pepper. I add 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix well and incorporate all the ingredients together. This should be great, but you can always taste the salad and make sure it's to your liking. You can add a little bit of orange juice, lime, whatever. I'm gonna season the salmon with salt and black pepper, a generous amount. And this is a pretty thin piece, so I'm not gonna season it on both sides. Rub the seasoning real well. Add a generous amount of olive oil, a good extra virgin olive oil. Top the salmon with most of the mango salsa. You're gonna leave some for later. Try to spread as much as possible. You're gonna bake at 450 for 8 to 12 minutes. While the salmon is in the oven, I'm gonna slice some green onions and a little bit of cilantro. It took exactly 12 minutes in the oven, and it's looking perfect, very flaky. When I use the fork, I top it with the rest of the mango salsa, a little bit of cilantro and green onions. And for an added flavor, freshness and crunch, try adding some radishes on top of the salmon and serve. I hope you give this recipe a try soon, and let me know what you think in the comments box below. I also leave the ingredients and the quantities in the description box as well, so check it out. If you like salmon and like a fresh light meal, this is it. I hope you give it a try, and until next time, bon appetit!